Hello everyone, my name is Sulakshan Sharad Doipode and I am currently pursuing an MBA in Finance from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management Studies, Akurdi, Pune. Today I am here to talk about an important topic, sustainability in operations, which plays a crucial role in modern business strategies. So let's understand what is sustainability in operations. Sustainability in operations refers to the practice of managing business processes in a way that minimizes environmental impact, promotes social responsibility, and ensures long-term economic growth. It involves strategies that optimize resource use, reduce waste, and create a balance between profitability and environmental stewardship. The three pillars of sustainability in operations are environmental sustainability, which focuses on reducing carbon emissions and waste management, social sustainability, which ensures fair labor practices and ethical sourcing, and economic sustainability, which emphasizes cost efficiency and long-term business success. After that, let's understand the importance of sustainability in operations. The significance of sustainability in operations cannot be overstated. Firstly, it helps businesses reduce cost by optimizing resource consumption and leading to lower energy and material expenses. Secondly, it enhances a company's brand reputation and customer trust, as consumers today are more inclined towards environmentally responsible brands. Thirdly, sustainability ensures regulatory compliance, helping businesses adhere to environmental laws and avoid penalties. Additionally, sustainable operations improve supply chain resilience, reducing risk associated with resource shortages and disruptions. Lastly, it contributes to long-term business growth as sustainable practices drive innovation and create new opportunities for competitive advantage. After that, let's understand some real-world examples. Many global companies have successfully integrated sustainability into their operations. For example, Tesla focuses on sustainable manufacturing by producing electric vehicles that help reduce carbon emissions. IKEA has adopted a circular economy model by using renewable materials and encouraging customers to recycle their old furniture. Similarly, Unilever is actively working towards sustainable sourcing and reducing plastic waste by implementing eco-friendly packaging solutions. These companies demonstrate how sustainability can be a key driver of business success while also benefiting the planet. So after that, how companies can implement sustainable operations? This is the one question. And to achieve sustainability in operations, businesses can take several strategic steps. First, they can adopt green supply chain management, ensuring that raw materials are source responsibility and that production process minimize environmental impact. Second, switching to renewable energy sources like solar and wind can significantly reduce carbon footprints. Third, implementing lean manufacturing techniques can help eliminate waste and improve efficiency. Additionally, companies can promote the circular economy by focusing on reducing, reusing, and recycling materials. Lastly, ensuring ethical labor practices by providing fair wages and safe working conditions contributes to social responsibility and social sustainability. So coming to the conclusion, in conclusion, sustainability in operations is not just a trend but a necessity for businesses aiming to thrive in the future. It offers numerous benefits including cost reduction, enhanced reputation, regulatory compliance and long-term profitability. As future leaders, we must encourage businesses to adopt sustainable practices that protect the environment while ensuring economic growth. So let's work together to build a more sustainable future. So thank you.